Suppose you want to make a study and the subjects of your study are 800 grade 11 students. To choose the sample size for your study, you may use the Slovin's formula. This is the Slovin's formula. Lowercase n is equal to uppercase n over 1 plus uppercase n e squared, where lowercase n is equal to sample size, uppercase n is equal to population size, e is equal to margin of error. Any number between 0 and 1 can be used as margin of error, but the commonly used margin of error are 10%, 5%, and 1%. The subjects of your study are 800 grade 11 students. Let us say you choose 5% for margin of error. Hence, uppercase n is equal to 800 and e is equal to 5% or 0.05. This is the Slovin's formula. Uppercase letter n or the population size is 800. So substitute 800 for uppercase letter n. And substitute 0.05 for E or margin of error. 1 is constant. So this is now equal to 800 divided by 1 plus 800 times the 0.05 squared. This is now equal to 266.6 or 267. This is the sample size. You can now use 267 instead of 800 students in your study.